Do you want to achieve success in your life always, or do you want major accomplishments in your life? Then you have to follow one thing, and that one thing is focus. Now, today's topic for our discussion is where focus goes, energy flows. So, Tony Robbins has very beautifully said that wherever our focus goes, our energy flows. For example, we have seen that there's a game of a bull in Spain in which we see the people show the red cloth to the bull, and the bull charges towards the cloth. So, we can take the example that the bull's focus is the red cloth, and he provides the full energy and he runs towards the cloth with his full energy. So we see that his focus was the red cloth, and he puts all his energy to hit that cloth. Second example we can take it is of Arjuna. We see that in Mahabharata, when Dronachar was asking everyone that what do you see on the tree? So some people were replying that we see the bird, we see the fruits, we see the tree, we see behind the tree that the river is flowing, etc. But when Arjuna came, he simply replied that, "Oh Achar, I am seeing the eye of the bird." So we see that he was focused, he was pinpointed towards his aim, and when he applied the energy in the bow, the energy flowed in the right direction and he pierced the eye of the bird. So we see that the focus is very important. So we see that focus is very important, but in life many people fail. For example, when the students are in their high school or in the intermediate classes, they take up many ambitions in their life. Some people say that I'll become engineer, some say that I'll become a doctor or I'll become a lawyer, etc. But we see that uh, some of them are able to achieve their dream, but most of them are just settled. So why is it so? It is because they assumed, they thought that was their ambition, that okay, I'll pursue engineering, I'll do a doctor, I will take the doctor's course, I'll do the advocate, etc. But in the life, many distractions came in their life, and what happened is there that their focus got distracted. So when energy flows in the perfect direction, then it's good. But if the energy is diverted, or it is diverted in many directions, then the intensity or the power of energy is reduced. So while going in the life, they encountered many distractions due to which they were not able to focus on their ambition, and they failed. So we see that being focused on your aim, on your ambition, is very important. The next thing is that we have all seen, or we have all encountered this thing many times, that when we are focused on something, the things happen in that way. Now, for example, I take up my personal example that earlier I was not good in public speaking. I was very fearful to speak in front of the public. But now when I've started the uploading videos and public speaking, many people who are in this field have come up. I have encountered many people, I have met many people, and they are helping me in a lot ways. For example, we also have our group that is dedicated for public speaking only in Facebook, and we all are helping each other. So we see that when we are focused on something, the people that are of same mindset they cross path with you. So it's very important that when you are focused on something, the people will automatically come in life which will push you towards your goal, towards your ambition. So just be focused on your ambition. Now we see that focus is very important, but it's not an inbuilt quality in everyone. So we see we have some steps that how to be focused on anything that you want to achieve. First thing is that be meditative. Yes, this is very important. Many people say think that meditation is, the old people stuff, it's not for the youngsters or that. But what meditation do is it keeps your mind calm, and when the time comes for taking quick decision and the important decision, then you are able to take those decisions very good, that will choose your path for the future. So meditation is very important. The second most important thing is exercises. Exercises keep your stress level down, and they also help you take quick decision, the right decision. Third thing very important is music. Many of us loves hearing music. So music listening is also very important because it also reduces the stress level. Many of doctors suggest that when a person is in depression, it is advised to him that he should listen to his favorite song. Why? It's because it reduces the stress level of the person. So music is the third very important point. Now the fourth point is focus. Now what does it mean? Focus means follow one course until success. Yes, that's very important. This last point is very important. Follow one course until success. Till success, follow this course only, and not do not deviate for any other course. So I hope if you follow these steps, then you will gain focus in your life, because ultimately where focus goes is where the energy flows. So I hope you like this video. Thank you.